Hi everyone, this is Inken Chen. So here I'm doing the problem 3 on homework 1. So the problem for the first part, it's asking us to find out the probability that data 0 is received. So we want to so we know there is a 0.6 probability that 0 is transmitted, and when the 0 is transmitted, there are actually 0.7 probability that 0 is actually received. So for here we want to do probability 0 is transmitted times the conditional probability that 0 received given 0 transmitted. And we want to add this part with another part, that is when 1 is actually transmitted but 0 is received because of the error. So 1 is transmitted times the conditional probability that 0 received given 1 transmitted. So the result, we know 0.6 probability that 0 is transmitted times the probability 0.7 that when 0 is transmitted, 0 is actually received, and plus 0.4 probability that 1 is transmitted times 0.2 probability that 0 is received when 1 is transmitted. So the total result, as we can see here, it's 0.5. For part 2, we want to know the probability of error. So in case 1, when 0 is transmitted, there is a 0.3 probability that 1 is going to be received. So to calculate this, we want to use probability 0 transmitted times the probability 1 received given 0 transmitted plus the probability that 1 is transmitted times the conditional probability that 1 is transmitted but 0 is received. So when we add, so these two are when errors happen. So when we add these two parts together, we get the probability of error. So 0.6 when 0.6 0 is transmitted times 0.3, which is actually the 1 is received, plus 0.4 probability that 1 is transmitted times the conditional probability when 1 is transmitted but 0 is received, which is 0.2. And the result together is a 0.26. So the probability of error is 0.26. Thank you, everyone.